A tape measure looks confusing until you know one thing. Line height matters. 1 inch is divided into 8 equal parts. These short lines are 8ths, 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, 7/8. When the line is a little taller, that's a quarter. 2/8 becomes 1/4. The tallest line in the middle? That's 1/2 inch, 4/8. The tape measure already did the math for you. You don't count lines. You read their height. When you have an eighth that has a numerator that is even, then the fraction is reduced. For example, you start out at 1/8, then 2/8. Now, since the 2 is even, you divide the fraction to its lowest common denominator, which is 1/4. 4/8 becomes 1/2. 6/8 becomes 3/4. So it reads 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and finally 1 inch.